Welcome back. Ponda Police has registered offence against Market Association members for trespassing in market. Ponda PI CL Patil informed us that these members were making a way to the market by using JCB illegally. Patil informed that Ponda chairperson Radhika Nayak filed the complaint. JCB from the site is also attached.
सुमार एक कंप्लेंट दिली म्युनिसिपल मार्केटान कोणतरी वाट तयार करता यूजिंग JCB. सो आमी थंय गेल्या उपरांत मागीर कांय लोक आसले, नगरसेवक येयल्ले आनी तेचे कावन्सिलर येयल्ले. सो चेअरपर्सन कंप्लेंट फायल केली सांगसान आनी अकॉर्डिंगली आमी ऑफेन्स ट्रेसपास आनी डॅमेज टू पब्लीक प्रॉपर्टी रजिस्टर केला. तितून आमी JCB अटॅच केली आनी JCB ऑपरेटराक अरेस्ट
कोणाक अरेस्ट बीन जाला अजून
JCB ऑपरेटराक आमी अरेस्ट केला. बाकी
ऑफेन्स कोणा कोणाचेर घातलो सध्या
ऑफेन्स 3 लोकांचेर घातला, 4 लोकांचेर घातला.
नांवां कितें तेंची
किशोर मामलेकर आनी नरेंद्र परब आनी कोच.
An initiative of former hockey player Andrea Thamshin from Germany has attracted village children towards hockey in Rajasthan. Andrea, along with a group of German coaches and young players from Rajasthan, are conducting a 3-week camp at Miracles High School campus in Sanguem. The camp is organized by Hockey Village India Academy in association with Miracles High School.
So the aim of Hockey Village India is to support sports in rural areas. We started in Rajasthan and now the first Hockey Village India is coming up in Goa, in Sanguem, in the Miracle High School here. And we believe that the people or kids from rural areas, they are very sporty, but what is lacking is good education. So we want to combine both and make them grow for a better future.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.